today we're going to go over what to do if you come across a maintenance issue in your residential hall, for example, a broken paper towel dispenser, lights that are out, or anything else that might need support. You're going to go to UVM UHDS Help Center, where you'll access what we call a plan-on or a maintenance ticket. You can access plan-on by scanning one of these posters you'll see around your halls, usually near the front desk or by the stairs, or by going to the UVM University Housing and Dining Services homepage. Once there, click the Get Help and Contact Us. You're going to scroll down to the Routine Maintenance, Submit a Maintenance Ticket widget, and click the plus sign. From there, you'll click the hyperlink, and you'll be logged into plan-on using your net ID. Once you're on plan-on, you'll see the widgets that pertain to different issues that you might be having. You're going to click the widget that pertains to the issue you're having. So for example, I was doing walks the other day, and I noticed there was a light out in my common room. Since this is a shared space, it's important to know that anyone who sees an issue can submit this issue on plan-on. It's a part of helping maintain our community standards and helping the residential hall stay nice. When you submit a ticket, you'll enter the building name after you click the widget it pertains to. For example, I'm putting in University Heights South, making sure I click the right tower. Then I'm going to put the room number was 110. That floor will automatically fill in. I'll select from the drop down the issue, and then I'm going to describe in detail what's going on. So I'm going to say the fact that the light is on the right side of the room once you enter, and that it's not turning on and it appears to be out. The more detail you give, the easier it is for maintenance to fix the problem quickly. You can submit plan-ons for your room, communal bathrooms, lounges, or any shared space. By submitting, you're giving maintenance permission to enter that area. After you hit submit, you'll see a confirmation message, and you'll also get an automatic email. If you ever want to check on past requests, go to the My Request widget to see everything you've submitted. UHDS facility staff aim to respond to all maintenance tickets or plan-on requests within a few business days. If you feel like the issue hasn't been addressed or is persisting, please contact University Housing at uvm.edu for more support.